Well, most people like to do episodes of their crib, and you see on every episode of Cribs, they always open the refrigerator. So in mine, we've got bird's eye burgers, we've got a tub of butter, we've got chicken chow mein ready-made from the shops, and some chicken drums. Down here we've got more chicken chow mein. We've got chips. You gotta love chips. If you don't like chips, you're a motherfucker. And we've got some leftover food right here. And that's about it basically. You close the fridge, and we've got some tomatoes. Nice red tomatoes. And that's it. That's the whole deal, y'all. So if you want to know why I eat, you basically got an idea. And I'm still not fat, so I don't know why I'm not getting fat. Maybe because it's just good genes. Okay. I hope you enjoyed my little episode and come back for some more.